Did a software update break the Windows Codecs RAW DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows system specialist. Let's fix the library mismatch and get WIC RAW Image Stack running again. Before we get into the manual guide for Windows Codecs RAW, you can try the suggested utility for improving overall system health. This is the Windows Codecs RAW, the Windows imaging component, WIC RAW Codec. It provides localized support for decoding raw localized photographic data from professional cameras directly within Windows Explorer and localized Photos apps. With the explanation out of the way, let's refresh the affected files. Windows Codecs RAW is part of a game graphics runtime. Install the Microsoft DirectX end-user runtime to restore legacy DirectX files, then update GPU drivers for OpenCL, OpenGL, or CUDA support. Should the file remain missing after a reinstall, we need to ensure that the operating system is forced to re-index its shared library paths. A standard reboot clears out temporary memory conflicts and gives the Windows loader another chance to properly register the Windows Codecs RAW component during startup. Before you restart, bookmark this video or hit the like button. It makes it much easier to find this tutorial in your history so you can pick up exactly where we left off. With the reboot complete, check your status. If you're still seeing that error, here is the next phase of the fix. Remember, you can pause the video at any time. Rebooting didn't reconnect the runtime links, so let's go into the control panel and refresh the library files. First, go to Control Panel, then select Programs and Features. Second, find every Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable, 2005 through 2022. Third, right-click each and select Change, then select Repair. If that fails, download the latest all-in-one VC++ redistributable package from Microsoft's website. Please note that for DLL files with numbers, the number tells you which version to repair. For example, 120 equals 2013. A quick professional note on security. Sourcing components correctly is just as important as the fix itself. The statistical risk of a blue screen of death increases significantly when you attempt to manually swap out critical files like Windows Codecs RAW DLL within your System32 or SysWow64 folders. For a reliable way to monitor these specific library interactions, I've included a professional resource link in the description. For users seeking a more stable workstation, the utility linked below references Windows Codecs RAW configuration concepts. If Windows Codecs RAW is back online, please consider subscribing. It's the best way to support our mission of providing safe, verified technical solutions.